Scientists from Italy and Scotland have discovered something strange under the pyramids with the help of synthetic aperture radar, about which no one knew anything until now. Scientists said that they have discovered some chambers and tunnels about 2 kilometers below the pyramids with the help of synthetic radar, which is mounted on the satellite. Scientists said that these chambers and tunnels are much larger than the pyramids. That means there could be 10 times more hidden things under the pyramid than we have found so far. The scientists have also discovered 8 major cylindrical shafts under the pyramid with the help of synthetic radar. These shafts have spiral steers around, and these steers goes into an 80-meter cube-shaped chamber. Is this an underground city or something else? Maybe this is the place where Hall of Record is hidden, means the ancient library where ancient teachings and the secrets of afterlife are hidden. Scientists have also discovered a river flowing beneath the pyramids, which connects to an old Nile river branch. The team of Scottish and Italian scientists took these scans using a synthetic radar mounted on a satellite 400 kilometers above the Earth. Synthetic radar is a special radar that is capable of creating a 3D image of any object from a long distance, which can also scan things underground to some extent. But the scientific community said that the synthetic radar cannot be as accurate as the objects it has scanned. But how much truth there is in this discovery will be known after further research on the pyramid. Hope you will like this video. Subscribe for more.